welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to set up a Govee smart light bulb with Alexa. Now I am going to show you with a single smart light bulb here. However, I do have the other light bulbs. As you can see here, this is a Philips light bulb. However, I'm going to show you with the single, as this is my new bulb. And the setup process is exactly the same with each bulb that you buy. No matter what smart bulb, whether it's a Govee, Philips or single in this case, or an Amazon basic, they're all the same setup process. So let me turn off the light here, and what I'll do is plug the smart bulb in, and as we can see it cycles through different colours. This indicates it's in pairing mode. So let me put the light back on. Now I want to go to the Amazon Alexa app, and this should pop up here, connect your light bulb. So we'll click this, and as we can see here, set up your single light. If you have a Philips or something like that, it will say Philips, obviously. What you want to do is just press next. Does your single light bulb have a Matter logo? And ours does, so we can press yes. Is your device powered on? We can press yes. Now, this QR code is in the pamphlet, what comes with the light bulb, and that's the case with all smart bulbs. So I'll find that, and then I'll press scan. I'll obviously hide this from view for obvious reasons. Now I've scanned it, it's looking for your device, then it's connecting to your device, and then it's connecting your device to the network. This normally takes around 1 minute to 30 seconds. And what will happen is you'll see Alexa flash up like that, and also the lights should start to turn on. So it says single light found and connected, so we can press next. Now here we can name it. I'll name it Lee Light. We can press next. Now here you can give it a group. I'll give it bedroom. You can skip if you want, but I'll just apply bedroom. Then we can press continue. I can set up a routine if you want. I'll skip this and then press done. Now here you can see the light is on. You can find this through the devices here, and here it is, the light, so we can press it. I'll turn my light off again, and we can power it off and on. You can change the brightness, change the colours. Now you can do that through the app, however you can do it with voice commands. So let's jump over and let me show you how to do it with voice commands. So what I'll do here is turn off the light. Now I'm only using the light what we've set up with Alexa, and we'll say, Alexa, turn off bedroom light.
Okay.
There you go. Alexa, turn on bedroom light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn bedroom light blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn bedroom light red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn bedroom light white.
Okay.
Alexa, turn bedroom light to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn bedroom light to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn bedroom light off.
Okay.
And there you go. We've successfully set up our smart bulb. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.